Perumbalam is a village in Alappuzha district in the Indian state of Kerala. The village is situated upon an island in Vembanad Lake, accessible only by boat. Perumbalam Island is a quaint, rustic village located in Alappuzha district. The island has a total land area of 6 square kilometers and houses around 10,000 residents. It lies 600 meters to the west of the Ernakulam district of Kerala. We can access the pretty little paradise lying on the Vembanad Lake by boat from jetties, mainly Puthotta in Ernakulam district and Panavali in Alappuzha district. The Janka ferry facilities are a bonus as we can carry our vehicles to the island. Now the construction of the bridge to the island is going on. Fishing is the prime source of livelihood for the villagers, apart from rearing cattle, weaving palm fronds, making koya and collecting clams and lime shells. While visiting the island, we shouldn't miss the sight of betel leaf and peanut farming. Perumbalam is also well known for Garcinia trees, kudampuli in Malayalam. It's used mainly in Kerala fish curries, has a distinct flavor without the bitter and tangy taste that kudampuli is famous for. Perumbalam soil is naturally rich in manure and the presence of water all around keeps the soil moist always and which helps farming. Canoes are the main mode of transportation here. We can navigate through the backwater channels and see the daily chores of the villagers, the flora and fauna around Vembanad Lake and the numerous shrines and temples. Lush greenery, swaying palm fronds, narrow alleys, chirping of birds and jovial villagers offer refreshing sights. Life moves at a relaxed pace in this part of the world. Here we are trying to present the aerial beauty of Perumbalam Island at its best. Thank you.